In this video, we'll delve into the SMS settings of our admin panel. Let's get started. Make your way to Settings, and right there, you'll find the SMS settings. This section allows you to create templates for text messages for your users. Whether it's a notification or a trip regarding communication, you can customize the text here. We send messages via a platform called Twilio, a popular tool for phone calls, text messages, and various communication tasks using web service APIs. Let's review the options. You'll notice the Send SMS toggle. When it's switched on, we send SMS notifications for any actions, like approval of a driver. If it's off, no SMS notifications are sent. Next up, we have Select SMS for, where you choose the SMS recipients, be they users, providers, or those related to trip information. But remember, these settings correspond to our Send SMS toggle. Various templates for SMS are visible, like OTP verification for users and providers, trip acceptance, weekly payments for drivers, and more. Let's see an example. The template for user, OTP verification. Here's the message for this template. It reads, "Dear user, OTP to complete your registration process is," and then the user will receive the OTP. So this is how we use Twilio to send SMS and set up templates for different situations. This feature is designed to facilitate efficient communication with your customers and providers, and for verification details and trips. That's our SMS settings function. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we hope this gave you a better understanding of our SMS settings.